These hair companies are making it so easy for us now. This wig, as you can see, comes exactly like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this new wig. This is the HD 13x6 braided wig. It literally came braided. Like, what you see is exactly how it came in the box. I'm going to show you how it came. This was so quick to install. All I have to do is just tip the lace a little bit and then cut off the lace and good to go. Like, it's so good. I think this is like a 26-inch, 250% density. I don't know if it feels like that, but yeah. The lace honestly just melts into my skin. It's crazy. I'm just gonna go straight into the video. This is what it looks like straight out the box. Like, it literally just comes pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. All you have to do is cut off the lace and you're good to go. It's braided as well. I am really impressed with this. This is really good. I don't have a wig cap. I feel like it's not needed. The knots have been bleached, everything looks good. So I'm just gonna cut the excess lace and also glue the sides. This is the box it comes in. You just have the brush, little melting band, wig cap, some lashes, and like a little go bag to store your wig if you're like traveling or like moving about. We're gonna have to take this off and just like reattach it just so that it's much flatter and neater. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna keep it straight just because I haven't done a straight style in a while. This is the fattest I could get it. So yeah, I did try to redo it and I broke the elastic band. So I just have a hair tie, a thin hair tie instead. But yeah, this is cute. This is really cute. What do you guys think? I love the fact that these hair companies are trying to make it more easy for us. You know, I will put the info down below. I've worked with Alipearl many times. Their hair is amazing quality, so you're not gonna get a different hair when you get it.